Winter storms and icy road conditions can cause damage to power infrastructure, mostly due to vehicle collisions, and the freeze-thaw cycle can stress underground water mains. When these types of outages occur, your home can be left without heat, power, and running water. It is important to be prepared. An emergency preparedness kit can serve that purpose. A few key items to keep in your preparedness kit is warm blankets, a first aid kit, some hand sanitizer, flashlight with extra batteries, a power bank for charging small devices, non-perishable food, a manual can opener, and fresh, clean water. As part of your home's 72-hour emergency kit, you should include a supply of drinking water for you and your family, and a clean, empty container that you can fill with potable water. EPCOR, during water outages, will deliver a water tank to affected residents. With the empty container, you can visit the station in the street, and you can fill up to meet your immediate needs. You can sign up for power outage alerts at epcor.com, and you can also visit the website to view current power and water outages.